Have you ever struggled with streaky windshields or frozen washer fluid in the winter? Let's fix that. Hi, I'm Michael with Nextzett USA, and today we're going to break down the difference between Kristall Klar washer fluid and anti-frost washer fluid. Let's dive in. So for most of us, using a windshield washer fluid is probably one of our least favorite experiences while driving, because you end up spraying to clean your windshield and it just ends up coming out dirtier than even before you started. So, let's face it, using a good windshield washer fluid, we're skeptical about it. But at Nextzett USA, we are convinced that we can change your mind about using windshield washer fluids and the results you're going to get. We have two washer fluids. We have our Kristall Klar washer fluid, which is our warm weather washer fluid, and we have anti-frost, which is our winter washer fluid during those times when you get below freezing. Let's discuss both of those in more detail. So let's first talk about our warm weather washer fluid, Kristall Klar washer fluid concentrate. It comes in two sizes. We have an 8.5 ounce bottle, which makes just over 13 gallons of high performance washer fluid. And then we got our 32 ounce size, which makes 55 gallons of washer fluid. Now, to mix it, it is a 1 to 200 concentrate. And we got a handy measuring dosage chamber up here at the top, which all you need to do is squeeze the bottle and the fluid will fill into the chamber at the dose that you need. Now, to make 1 gallon, you're going to use about 20 milliliters of washer fluid, which is right about here. And at the top, there's 30 milliliters, which equals 1 fluid ounce. You'll mix that with 1.5 gallons of water. Now, when you mix it with water, you're just going to use regular untreated tap water, not distilled, not reverse osmosis. And the reason being is because one of the many features of Kristall Klar washer fluid and anti-frost, which I'll talk about in a minute, they both contain water softeners in the formula. So that helps counteract any hard water minerals that is in your water. If you use that with distilled water or any kind of treated water, you're just going to end up getting a very soapy residue left on your windshield. Some of the many other benefits of Kristall Klar washer fluid include its ability to effectively remove bugs and sap without smearing or glare. As far as those water softeners are concerned, because it's counteracting any hard water minerals in the water, it's going to keep your spray jets just effectively spraying a nice pattern. They will not clog up, so you'll always get a nice even spray every time you use your windshield washer fluid. Now let's talk anti-frost washer fluid concentrate for places where you get below freezing. It comes in two sizes, and it comes in a 33.8 fluid ounce, which is a 1 liter size. And it also comes in a more economical 5 liter size, which is 169 ounces, which is about 1.3 gallons. Now, anti-frost is not as concentrated as Kristall Klar, and the reason is simple, because we include the alcohols in it, which is the anti-freeze agent. Now, while all the companies out there that you buy washer fluid from, they all contain methanol. Now, methanol is considered toxic both for you and for the environment, which is why at Nextzett, we only use ethanol in our washer fluid. Now, ethanol is safe because, and it's the reason why it's used in, say, like hand sanitizer, so you can get it on your skin and it's not toxic. The opposite is true with methanol. As far as we know, we are the only company in North America that uses ethanol in our washer fluid. And incidentally, we only use ethanol in all our products that contain any alcohol. So in order to mix anti-frost, the dilution guide is on the label and of course on our product page for our website. But the starting mixing ratio is 1:3. So let's say 1 unit of this, 1 bottle of this with 3 bottles of regular tap water, and that's going to get you 20 degrees Fahrenheit protection. If you mix it at a 1:2, you get 14 degrees Fahrenheit. A 1:1, you're going to get -6 degrees Fahrenheit. And a 2:1 is going to be -20 degrees Fahrenheit. So using anti-frost washer fluid is going to give you all the benefits of Kristall Klar because it's the same cleaners as Kristall Klar. However, you're going to get the freeze protection included with that. And also, anti-frost helps prevent re-icing while driving, which is another key factor. Both our washer fluids are also safe on your paint, on all plastic trim, and also, of course, on plastic headlights. So that's our 2 washer fluids. Kristall Klar for your warm weather needs, anti-frost washer fluid for your cold weather needs. If you want more information on the product, go to nextzettusa.com. That's where you can find them and purchase them. And if you have any questions, please feel free to drop your questions into the comments below and I'll be happy to answer them for you. Until next time, let's keep it clean.